The Rogers Xfinity app may fail to load or open due to several common issues. Common causes include app glitches, outdated versions, device conflicts, and connectivity problems. A common initial fix involves force stopping the app, ensuring it's updated, and rebooting your device. As of late 2025, loading issues persist for approximately 5 to 10% of users, even after the October 2025 update that improved stability and compatibility with Android 15 and iOS 18. The app relies on APIs for streaming, so failures can result from API timeouts, device overload, or poor internet connection. When the Rogers Xfinity app fails to load or open, try these troubleshooting steps. First, force stop the app to clear its temporary memory. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find Xfinity, and select Force Stop. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom to access the app switcher and swipe the Xfinity app away. Next, update the app to get the latest bug fixes. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and check for Xfinity app updates. Then, reboot your device to refresh system resources. Hold the power button and select the restart option. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally above 25 Mbps and at least 1 GB of free storage on your device. Clear the app cache to remove temporary files. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Xfinity, Storage, and select Clear Cache. If problems continue, reinstall the app by deleting it and re-downloading from the App Store.